Good morning, Red. I am Angel Montilla.
And I'm Lucian Hernandez.
In the latest and oldest History Channel,
The History News.
Today we will talk about the country of Lebanon. Lebanon was dictated its rich history and shape the cultural identity of religious and ethnic diversity.
We're going to talk about this Lebanese hero that has been a great example and a leader on their country. Let us know the story of Yosef Ben Boutros Karam, also known as Joseph.
Joseph Karam was Lebanese marinate notable who fought in the 1860 Civil War and led the rebellion in 1866 to 1867 against the Ottoman Empire ruled in Mount Lebanon.
His proclamations have been interpreted as an early expression of Lebanese nationalism. Let us call one of our adventure reporters, Dorothy Herrera.
Here I am, standing behind the Eden Church in Eden, Lebanon. This is the place where we can find more information about the Lebanon hero, Joseph Karam. Here I am inside the Eden Church. Let's get a glimpse about the Lebanon hero, Joseph Karam. Joseph Karam was born in May 15, 1823 and died in April 7, 1889. Joseph Karam was born to Saint Boutros Karam and Mariam in Eden, Lebanon with 6 siblings, Catherine, Teresa, Rose, Eva, and Mikhail. He is a smart boy with green eyes and he loves his hometown. This is his painting and it is located inside the church. Hello, it's me again. I'm with 2 students that are studying about the history of Lebanon and most especially the hero, Joseph Karam. Please welcome Phoebe Francisco and Chantal Dulce. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Can you tell something about Joseph Karam?
In 1840, he fought alongside his father and elder brother against the Egyptian armies, then occupied Lebanon in the battles of Huna and Badun. After 6 years, his father died and he became the ruler instead of his older brother. He ruled with fairness and his credibility, and influence as a soldier and politician continued to grow.
Next, you.
When the Ottomans ruled Lebanon, there was a certain amount of distinction between the Jews and Maronites. Immediately, the Muslims felt threatened by the growing presence of the Christian Maronites in the traditional area of Mount Lebanon.
Okay, thank you.
Then he became the acknowledged leader of the district and one of the most powerful personalities in Lebanese politics. Although politically and militarily very powerful, he remained loyal to his faith and to the church.
Here I am standing in front of the coffin of Joseph Karam. I will give you some details about how he died and when. April 4, 1889, he suffered from pneumonia. He called his doctor Paul Chani and said that his life is in danger. After 2 days, he had a heart attack and that was his last hours. He passed away near Naples, Italy. His last words were, "God bless us." The one that is written on his grave is said, "This is the resting place of the Joseph Boutros Karam, the Lebanon king." He was never officially a prince, but due to his behavior, stature, and moral values, he was pretended to be. The following are his legacies. September 11, 1932, the bronze statue in front of the Eden Church was the namesake of Yosem Kouaye. 2008, Rita Karam, daughter of a minister in Eden, founded the Joseph Ben Karam Foundation. And that's all the information we searched for you about Joseph Ben Karam, the Lebanon hero. I'm Dorothy Herrera, and this is the History News.
Thank you for that wonderful information about the life of the Lebanon hero, Joseph Karam.
We have an additional information and these are his battles.
Maamantin in Apas, Sunday, January 6, 1866.
Great Battle of Binachi, Sunday, January 28, 1866.
7, Thursday, March 1, 1866.
Nemej and Anaya, Wednesday, March 14, 1866.
Wadi and Noswer, Thursday, March 22, 1866.
Atse Chao and K. Paul, Friday, June 15, 1866.
Hadat, Wednesday, July 4, 1866.
A.L. Jones and Bechinat, Saturday, July 7, 1866.
Ain Karna and Wadi Mishara, Monday, August 20, 1866.
Eden, Saturday, December 15, 1866.
Esbey and Arges, Thursday, January 10, 1867.
Wadi El Satib, Thursday, January 17, 1867.
That's all for our today's news.
I hope you learned something and you might share to the people that surrounds you.
The story of the Lebanon hero, Joseph Karam.
I am Christian Hernandez,
And I'm Angelica Montilla,
and this is
the History News. Good morning, world. I am Angel Montilla.
and I am Christian Hernandez.
The latest and the oldest history channel.
The news.
Good morning, world. I am Angel Montilla.
And I am Christian Hernandez.
The latest and oldest history channel.
And the history news.
Here I am. September 11, bronze statue. My namesake, Joseph Kuwaye, 2000.
Ay, nako! Yung nag-video, di ba?